world of NASCAR is on edge, and it's not just because of the high-speed races. A leaked text message has ignited a firestorm of controversy, threatening to upend the sport's playoff format and industry relationships. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. The message, revealed during an antitrust lawsuit, has sparked a debate that goes far beyond the courtroom. Could this be the catalyst for a major shift in how NASCAR crowns its champion? Let's dive in. On September 13, 2025, NASCAR President Steve O'Donnell found himself in the hot seat during a meeting with team presidents. The topic? A text message unearthed in the ongoing antitrust trial involving two NASCAR teams, 23XI Racing and Row Motorsports, FRM. The lawsuit, set to go to trial on December 1st, has already sent shockwaves through the sport, and this latest development only adds fuel to the fire. The message in question, part of a conversation among NASCAR Holdings executives, quoted O'Donnell referring to a charter renewal offer as a "f*** the teams" proposition. But is that what he really meant? Initially, the message was interpreted as O'Donnell suggesting NASCAR should present a bad deal to the teams. However, sources close to NASCAR insist this was a misinterpretation. They claim O'Donnell was actually warning that the offer might be perceived as insufficiently generous to the teams, and that he was advocating for their interests. To clear the air, O'Donnell addressed the issue during the meeting, reiterating that his words were taken out of context. Yet the damage was already done, highlighting the growing tensions caused by the lawsuit and its ripple effects on the sport's day-to-day operations. And this is the part most people miss. The meeting itself was a lower-key gathering compared to the quarterly Team Owner Council (TOC) meetings established in 2016. While TOC meetings include both senior team executives and ownership, this meeting was limited to team presidents and select NASCAR executives. Notably, 23XI President Steve O'Donnell was in attendance. But no one from FRM was present due to a scheduling conflict involving FRM GM Jerry Freese. Amidst the legal drama, another bombshell dropped. The playoff format might be on the chopping block. Some attendees left the meeting with the impression that NASCAR is likely to overhaul its playoff structure next year. However, other insiders cautioned that no final decision has been made, and deliberations are still ongoing. This week, on NASCAR's podcast Hauler Talk, spokesperson Mike Ford confirmed that a change is possible, with a meeting scheduled to narrow down the options. One insider revealed that some within NASCAR are questioning whether a single race to determine the championship is truly fair, a sentiment echoed by parts of the sport's core fan base. But here's the controversial question. Is NASCAR's current playoff format outdated, or is it a sacred tradition that shouldn't be tampered with? The lawsuit and leaked text have opened a Pandora's box of debates, from fairness and competition to the balance of power between NASCAR and its teams. As the sport navigates these turbulent waters, one thing is clear: change is in the air, and it's not just about who crosses the finish line first. What's your take? Do you think NASCAR should overhaul its playoff format, or is the current system still the best way to crown a champion? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments.